Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia Ede. Long time no video, guys. You understand, life has been lifing, but I brought my beautiful face back on your screen. Today's video is an exciting one. It's the video you guys have been asking me for. I asked you guys a few weeks ago to send me your question concerning be it life in Canada, being a student in Canada. It doesn't even have to be Canada, it could have been personal questions and you guys delivered. So in this video, I'm going to be answering all your questions. If you see me looking down, that's because I wrote down the questions. So that's what I'll be reading out. So yeah, let's get into this video. But first, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? That's how you show love. That's how you support me, okay? They don't pay me for you subscribing, okay? So just subscribe, okay? Please, have you done it? Let's get into this video. So the first question is, aside friends in school, how do I network, especially within the Nigerian community? So for me, how I've been able to network in the Nigerian community, outside the Nigerian community, I go for events. For example, there's a page called Events Bright. So let's say I lived in Brampton, it would show me events happening in Brampton. So most of these events are free. So I just go there and I tell myself that, do you know what? I'm going to make a friend. At least I must talk to 5 people, and at least I must exchange at least 2 contacts. That's the best way to network here in Canada. And sometimes when you meet a Nigerian, there's always a group that they're on. Let's say you might even be surprised that your secondary school has a group here in Canada. You'll be surprised. So events, and also if you go to church, you definitely meet people, especially if you're in that Nigerian community. If you go to the African store here in Canada, or you go to like Nigerian stores, basically, you're going to meet Nigerians there. You just say, hi, I like your dress. Oh my God, you look good. I like your hair. Start a conversation. Don't be shy. Come out of your comfort zone, all right? Yeah, I hope that answers your question. So the second question is, this has been a very popular question. So let me just tell you guys now. I was gonna wait first till I graduate and then just give you guys all the tea how to get into the school. But you guys are not patient. So I'm just gonna tell you now. So it is, what school do you attend and what is the cost of living in Toronto as a whole? So guys, I go to Conestoga College. Yes, it's in Waterloo. Yes, I go to Conestoga. Are you happy? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? I go to Conestoga College and I'm studying strategic marketing communication. It's a post degree, it's not a bachelor's. So, yeah, I've done my bachelor's already. So, this is just like a post degree. It's a 2 year program. What's the cost of living in Toronto as a whole? Well, I don't live in Toronto. Maybe you're referring to Ontario. It actually depends on where you're staying, it depends on the province. But for me, I would say as an average, your rent should be like 600 to 800. Transportation should be like 350 a month. Feeding should be like 350, 400. If you want to do anything nice for yourself, that's like 200. It costs. Canada is expensive. Let me just put it like that. But this is me just giving you a rough estimate at the back of my head. These numbers vary depending on how you budget yourself. I hope that answers your question. Why did you stop putting out hair content? I actually didn't stop putting hair content. I'll tell you the, if you look at my YouTube shorts, they are hair content. If you look at my Instagram, I put hair content. But I realized that you guys don't like it. 2 videos ago, I did a hair content. It was even 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. How I detangle my natural hair after doing like all those tiny locks. That video is the poorest in views. That video is not doing well. So you guys don't want hair content. Me, I like doing hair content too. Let me know if you're team hair content because those of you that have been watching me way back, I started YouTube doing natural hair content. As you can see, there's a slick bone that I did on my natural hair. If you're interested in things like this, I can do it for you. But yeah, just be changing your mind. Like, what's up? The next question is, how are you? To be honest, to be real, I'm going through a lot. I'm coming from a lot. But the good thing is I'm currently on a 2 weeks holiday from, in fact, I've exhausted 1 week of just sleeping and eating. I'm on 2 weeks holiday from work and school, so I timed my work holiday during this time that I know that I won't be in school because I'm about to enter my fourth semester. So September to December will be my fourth semester, and I'm done. And I'm done with school in Canada, guys. That's a big achievement. So I'm happy, but I'm dreading going back to school. I'm happy that I'm not going to work, but I'm dreading like here we go again. But the good thing is I'm done paying school fees. Like that has actually helped my mental health. The fact that I'm not paying any school fees. Like I feel free. I feel like I can finally live my life. I still have expenses though, but not be the one way. Sorry, I'm speaking pigeon. It's not like there's a deadline, like, oh my god, you have to pay this by this date. So I feel mentally relaxed. I'm just more motivated to, end the semester well. So that's how I'm feeling. Thank you for asking. I love you. Everybody's always trying to ask you for information. Nobody's saying, hello, girl. How are you doing? How is life? I like you. Whoever asked me the question. The next question is, what city in Canada is the best for international students? To be honest, there's no city that is the best. Depending on the kind of career you're looking for, depending on the minimum wage. I think Ontario has the highest minimum wage, which is $15.50 an hour, $15.50 an hour, something like that. I'm not sure. So if you like money, you might say you want to come to Ontario, but mind you, the higher the higher the income, the higher the cost of living. If you say you're looking for a place that is affordable, you know that the income might not be that great, but at least your expenses are lower, right? So depending on you, me, I like GTA. That's any area close to Toronto because I want to be a big girl in life. We go pay the money, we go run out, forget. Guys, I'm a worry babe. I'm from Delta State, so I speak pidgin. My bad. Yeah, come beat me. What's up? What's up? The next question is, which city are you living in Canada? Well, I've moved. I've been in Brampton. I've been in Mississauga. I've been in Caledon. I'm within these three hemisphere. See, siren is blowing. I don't like that. They're disturbing my video. Can you leave my video? Can you leave my video? Can you leave my video? Next question is, what's the biggest culture shock you faced since you moved, and how did you overcome it? Honestly, my first degree was not in Nigeria, so I'm already used to the way. I think I'm used to the way this abroad life or living abroad, living far from home is. So I'm already familiar with how things work. So nothing really shocked me. I wasn't surprised about anything. All I had to do was just stay here for a few months and just acclimatize to the time difference. That was it, to be honest. I don't think time difference is a culture shock, right? I hope that answers your question. So let's go to the next one. Do you think exes can be friends? Give me reasons. Yes, exes can be friends. If you guys broke up for like a mutual reason, maybe long distance. I'm in Singapore, you're in Zimbabwe. I don't want to do long distance. That's fine. Both of you agree on that, no problem. But if you broke up maybe because this person cheated on you, you always be hurt by that person. And you might sometimes you might want to go back. It doesn't make sense. Like just keep it cute. And if you're dating new people, it's kind of not fair for you to be talking to your ex because I don't think you want your own partner to be talking to their ex, right? So if you broke up for mutual reasons that you guys are guys now, like you have love for them, you're not in love with them, you can be sending memes on Instagram, wishing them happy birthday. How's your mom? How's your dad? But that's where it ends. It's platonic. Yes, you can be friends. I hope that answers your question. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Are you still friends with Nwani? Haven't seen you guys in a minute. So yes, I'm still friends with Nwani. Something about Canada is you can be in the same Canada, but you're living in a different province. I'm living in a different province. You have different shifts for your work. I have a different shift for my work because I'm an international student. Maybe you're working here full time. Your schedules will not always meet, and you can be in the same Canada, and it takes me 5 hours to get to you. So I hope that answers your question. Different people have different schedules. Your schedules might not always meet. Your availability is different. And yeah, and sometimes we might be hanging out, but we don't post it on social media. Social media is not real life, okay? So understand that. You're so nosy. You're a nosy person. Stop it. Next question. Um, what advice would you give your 17-year-old self? I would give my 17-year-old self, calm down. Don't be in a rush to grow up. I remember when I was 17. Oh my God, I can't wait to be 18. I can't wait to be 20. I can't wait to be 21. Almost bills, bills, bills. When I was 17, I was living in my mother's house for free. I wasn't paying rent. Now bills, 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 bills. I want to be a child again. I want to be eating food for free. I don't want to pay for my groceries. I don't want to pay for rent. Are you joking? What? 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 Who does that? So I'll tell my 17-year-old self, calm down. Don't be in a rush to grow up. Don't be in a rush to date because men will show you up. Pepe. Men will show you what, Pepe. Not all men. I don't generalize, but take your time to know people. Be friends for a long time. Friend zone all of them. Get to know them. Don't go and be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. Harness your talent. Stop procrastinating. Do what you say you're gonna do. Travel. Travel with your girlfriend. Save money. Go on girls trip. Don't use your money to be buying gifts for man. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Next question is internship possible for fresh doctor grads in Canada? I don't know anything about internship, grad, doctor. I've not even graduated. I don't even know what I'm doing next. Maybe I should do another video. The fear of the next thing. I don't know. Sorry, I can't help you with that. Is it possible for an international student to pay their tuition, fully working 20 hours, and he has paid 30% before moving? Yes, is it possible for an international student to pay their own tuition here in Canada? So let's say you've paid for your first semester before moving to Nigeria. Amazing. Let's say you have someone you can stay with for at least 4 months. Double amazing. Let's say you can get a job within your first month that you move to Canada. That's a blessing. So if you've paid for your first semester, there's a period between your first and your second semester where you have 4 months holiday. That's just the best time for you. So you have 4 months to work for more than 20 hours. So when you're on holiday, you can do 40 hours and you can even do two jobs. So that way you'll be able to double your hustle and pay your tuition. And if you're living in Ontario, you can be earning from like 17 to $25 an hour. So that should be, enough money for you to pay your tuition. I will do a detailed video on this later. I would like to have maybe a guest and we can talk it through and give you insights and strategies to achieve this, okay? Next question. What's the name of my school? I already told you, Conestoga College. What's good? What's next good? Question? How about warehouse jobs? Honestly, I don't know anything about warehouse jobs. Most guys know about this, but me, I just went for housekeeping because it's a little bit feminine. I don't always do housekeeping. There's laundry. If it's that one you want, I'll tell you. Not that I can even tell you. Just search for housekeeping jobs near me. Should go to hotels with your resume. Hello, do you do laundry? Yeah, I am. I can wash. I can clean. I'm a cleaner. I'm not a cleaner. I dey find money. God, I'm a worry girl. Okay, I'm from Delta State. So if you see me speaking pidgin in this video, I think in pidgin. That's a random fact. Maybe I should do random facts about me. I think in pidgin before I think in English. So I try not to, be speaking pidgin on my YouTube channel. But yeah, if you see it coming out, I can't help it. I can't help it, fam. Yeah. um so warehouse jobs, I don't know anything about that. um Someone says, I'm a single mom. I want to know how I can handle school, work, and child at the same time. More. Ha. Whew. I don't know. Because international students, school here is a lot. Deadlines, assignments, and if you have to work, who are you gonna leave your kid with? Honestly, I think the best thing to do is bring your mom, or you and your siblings should come. That's just the best way. If this person is not going to work, this person will look after the child. This person is going to school, this person, you guys will just be alternating because it's not easy. Even as an international student, I'm already stressed. But yeah, I wish I knew more about this, but I don't know because I'm not at that phase right now in my life. The next question is, what kind of food should I take along when I'm coming to Canada? Crayfish, bring it. Palm oil, bring it. Egusi, ogbono, bring it. Beans, bring it. You can buy them here, oh, but it's expensive. In fact, have one suitcase for Nigerian food, your indomie, your gari, your Nigerian curry. The curry here is different. Your thyme, your pepper soup seasoning. Winter is coming, you need pepper soup, your stock fish, your dry fish, um, pepper, yaji, your suya pepper in case you want to do suya wings, your normal pepper, red pepper, dried ugu or dried bitter leaf in case you can use spinach. Me, I love spinach. It's like ugu if you ask me, but these are the things you should bring. If you want a detailed video on this, I could do that for you, okay? I hope this answers your question. The next question is, how can I get a guarantor? I don't know. Is who has money in their bank statements? Who has money that can you should use? I don't know how to get a guarantor. Sometimes I hear bankers are doing it now, but I have no idea on this. I'm sorry. The next question is, can I pay my tuition working as a housekeeper? Most definitely. Most definitely. This is the evidence. That's what I did. Yeah, you can do it too. All right. Housekeeping money, especially in Ontario, is 20 something. No, forget. Don't let anybody shame you. Okay, that's not what you asked me, but yes, you can pay your tuition as a housekeeper here in Canada. The next question, what is driver's abstract? Driver's abstract is basically from Nigeria, where FRSC will say this person has been driving for X amount of years, and this will help you expedite you getting like a certain level of your driver's license here in Canada. So if you've been driving here for 5 years in Nigeria, obviously they will let you skip certain levels. You just do like, let's say, level 3 of your driving test here. So that's what driver's abstract is. And make sure you get it before you come to Canada. It saves you a lot of stress. How can I pack to avoid excess luggage? That's the next question. Make you can use Ghana Must Go. Okay, trust me. You're coming here to move, to relocate. Ain't nobody looking at you, okay? Except you're like a YouTuber and you want your thumbnail to be fine. I understand that. Or you can use these cloth bags. These are not suitcases, because suitcases, all those metal, they already have like 4 to 5 kg of your own space. So use a cloth bag so that way you save money, you won't have to pay excess luggage. That's it, guys, for this video. I hope I was able to answer all your questions. Let me, if you have more questions, still leave it in the comment section. In the nearest future, I'll do an updated Q&A. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I want to get to 11,000. We can do this. Let's do this. All right, till next time. Bye guys.